In this video, I am going to show you how to change your email address on eBay. First, sign in to your eBay account by visiting www.ebay.com. Use your current login ID and password to access your account. Once logged in, locate your eBay ID at the top left corner of the page. Click on the drop-down menu under your eBay ID and select Account Settings. In the Account Settings page, look for the Personal Information section under the Personal Info tab. Click on it to proceed. Find the Contact Info section and you should see your current email address listed there. Click on the Edit tab next to the email address to change it. On the next page, you'll have the option to enter your new email address. Type in it you wish to use for your eBay account, and after entering your new email address, click on Save to apply the changes. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.